Nezoku is here, the people's governor. Bear with me a bit. I like playing my music on the background. Today is Sunday. Okay, good morning. If you're seeing this video, kindly help me share it. Kindly help me share it right now. Those of you watching me now, help me share it. Help me and share it. I'm on live broadcast. All right. Good morning to you all. Ndewo. Afa. Udo almabia. All right. If you're here watching me live, please do help me share this broadcast this morning. It's not picking. Why? All right. Good morning to you all. If you see this video, help me share it. And share this video. I am not used to sharing my location but I will do it right now because I'm in my community. There is nothing anybody gave me. There is nothing anybody can do. Yeah. So there is nothing anybody can do. You are welcome here. Please turn the volume. You are welcome here all. Let me share it to my other backup page so that many of you will get this video. If you're watching me live, please help me share this video. This is the people's governor. Before I go further to address this lady, to respond to her, I want to apologize to family members whom I have promised never to go this way. I want to apologize to some of my great fans whom I have vowed to never to go this lane. But please, don't be offended. Necessity brings a lot to some of us. And hence necessity brings anything. We will surely do justice to that. Now, for your earliest information, everyone listening to me, I have to be careful on what I say right now so that I don't pull down what I have built. So I will be careful, not because of any individual whatsoever. So I will choose some of my words so that I may not offend our own brother and Ndi Igbo, Bo Evangelist Chukwu Ebuka Anoziobi. I don't want to. Achomega Kodeka na fight is in haho. I say Kodere. So I'm not going to shade him because of what some of these blind people that wants to take his space on the internet do by day. For your earliest information, because it is not secret, I am from Ntu Autonomous Community in Ishi, Anangopala local government area of Imo State. By virtue of God's grace, I am the most popular youth. Are you hearing it for the very first time? I am the most popular youth here. The most political, you can call it controversial son or thereabout, because I confront even politicians in this local government. Go and read about me or ask. Take my picture, show it to 5 Ngopala persons. Ask them who is this, they will tell you. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All will be included. But the good will be higher. The reason why I had to include other elements is so that you will be sure that nobody is good 100%. Nobody is perfect. Now, The reason why I said I will choose some of my words. I made a post, I made a video. Now I want you to ask yourself. Anybody can see me anything. And we can see the roof full of mother. Roof ya another color of roof. Mo aga hama in 24 hours. No matter or the possible. Now, this is where I put it. Roof all on oboda. You change ya in 24 hours. E would in the gap on guam. No, will you change your roof all ya? I said in 24 hours. And there is no way I will our meeting. Kenyala, Kerala, Adonate Yala, that I will not also know in 24 hours. I said 24 hours. I challenge you. Watch guy should prove me wrong. Mention you in a picture. I said more about the most popular youth when at the local government as a whole, including musicians. The most popular. Now speaking to you further. Because if you know, I just left my own village minutes ago. You saw where I went live, right? Now a stone throw from this my village. Let me show you another community where I built 1-bedroom flat for a widow. On that day, this house was dedicated. J-Pack fled from Lagos because of me. That's why Emelumala Nsinobu one name. Now, in this community, in this town, we have done so many good that we cannot tell you. That only God knows. 2, before you talk and say that Governor Zoku invaded somebody's privacy and property, Chineke okwago oko that place. Alantu alango pala kubu okwage frustrate yegi more. Ebi filu na iga chidigi eche onye ozo. Ige rule your husband the way rule Governor Zoku. That is critically impossible. Ijuberese. Before get cover that nonsense, did you know if we actually donated the land or if we sold the land? This is question I'm asking you. Hello, Chid, I will call you. Not after there now. I'm on live broadcast. So, did you know if the land, if we donated it or if we sold it? That's one point I want to ask you. Now, before I came online and started posting, look at what happened, everyone. I'm not foolish. If you watch me, we've been going from one meeting to another. Some of us, our fathers, where I am telling you, Aburuzi community land, though, my papa land the day inside, my family land the day inside, I keep quiet. I endure, even when we no one sell. I endure. I tell you, like person go sell land. We endured. I said we endured. As the governor, the state governor, we endured. We endured. We accepted the advice of the governor. We accepted the advice, the suggestions of our leaders, our traditional leaders. We obeyed. Go here. Can go see this mwewu mwene mind. Post a picture of Governor Zoku. Chineke bawa kwa Ishi. Here. Check it off, man. Now, you don't know the condition. You don't know if we were paid or if we donated this land. Ibara, pia. Complete picture of Nezoku post to. Ozala, but check alarm engineer. Now, this is a community hall built by the king. He donated it. Nabola. Iben. Now you see this side. I built this one for a widow. This standard of this house. From my own village, I came here and I built it. Maybe a marom. Nah, nonsense. This standard. Nabola. That's okay, one. Good morning. How are you? Okay. Aprola back. How are you? Good morning. Adam. Asem ma biado. Biale akwana. The place. Mara kwa word. Mo de kwa mma. Okay. Kwem naka. Awa kalele. Ndewo. Udodi. Okay. So I have probably a lot back. When I walk on a bomb steady, Ike. Make a lequam. So Udodi. Oh yeah, no. Udodi. Udon, why? What can get metal chop potato till ever? Making home market they gonna this place. So bad, didn't say Cambiaro. There, Uche. There, one so bad. Thank you, Udo, amen. There, okay. Came on, I got to be here. I just need to try that day, la. Udo. So, Hana nonsense because ni be abroad. Ibu eshiboto onyara. Ibu eshiboto onyara because ukwa mari ibezia. Now, fans, listen to me. If you see truth, take the truth. Forget about who will feel pained. Like Ibam Nona, I know they tell you without the plan, without the survey plan, you will see Umopo. The three autonomous communities who contributed this land. I mean my own kindred, but the major sacrificer, the major donor. Yet I'm not talking about that side. Do you know how many persons I have stopped from buying directly inside there? Do you know how many persons? Apparently, I stayed in New Home. Any agent. In fact, I came home, I called meeting. Obru me made mistake. He got it inside there or exactly opposite there as governor advised us. He gave me problem. Are you listening to me? He ain't no problem. This place here for here, April to go 3,000 exercise books, okay? Obashi. Okweni who then went down under my scholarship till today. Mana betu ngore picture obere umaka. Nde Chineke sim help. Post all their picture on internet and grant her scholarship in our wiara. Man on no phone mad on internet. On a video call Eribe. When your husband, when you cannot even stay under a man. You know to Ishi ropi banye imwe moral post a picture governance engro cupboard. You may later come here go alarm frustrate yegi. I frustrate you. I have camera na gwage. I make here go ya na abali I will know. Frustrate yegi here. I go there I go carry complaint come in ekwoku you make it to some part of your mouth. Because ukwa mari ibezia. Now, fans, listen to me. I'm not here to fight or bully any of this pamas. I'm not here to fight any of them because I had the two toy. Thank God you are falling into the trap. Thank God don't follow go in. If you mess up, una go come here. Una go still send people to come here, come buy land. Did you know if they paid us? Did you know if we donated the land? It's not nonsense. Nonsense. My own papa land dead there. Oh no, everywhere and I want bully everybody wanna see. Yeah. You don't even ask deep questions. Nonsense. Anako nonsense. Is there anywhere my elder signed? Is there anywhere my king signed? Is there anywhere our families they signed? Anako nonsense. Anako rubbish. Must you make post? Oh, none of them mind people they mind do now. Now they mind people, they mind do now. Now, guys, look at what happened. Look at what happened. I was called to order never to post. I was called to order never to make posts like 2 months ago, of which I accepted. Of which I accepted. So all of us obey. Hello, I'm on live broadcast, sir. I'm on live broadcast if you can hear me. I'm on live broadcast. So I was called to order never to post. We all agreed. I agreed to everything I was told. I accepted and didn't go against what I said I would do. I didn't go against that. Now look at what happened. People started buying. People started buying. People started buying around. So the thing started causing issues because we don't want formal experience to repeat itself again. So on that process, we discovered that people are coming from different states, entering the bushes to buy land. Okay, we later put law that no human being should enter there with strangers. Elders and everyone, we all agreed together. We left. All of a sudden, strangers started buying around, and they are buying it higher price. Get the truth from me. Check like inside communities. Inside communities, lands were being sold for 800. Good positions 1.5. Then if you come along the expressway, lands were being sold there for about 2 million naira in Ishi. 2 million. Before you know it, after these people must have gone around to buy it cheap from people. Now, so shortly, now what they are doing is, the moment they came and spoke to some of us, we accepted, as in everybody was calm. A go-ahead order was given that carry on with the clearing. All of us endured. My brother, even 1,000 naira nala. Even 1,000 before God and man, as people with their land there before God Almighty. If I got 1,000, man, no see tomorrow morning. Now where I keep them. Because you can't fight yourself. All of us endured. Now these people go see Allah around in the 20, in the 30, in the 50 plots. We now discover that what they will do is they will pick 1 or 2, 3 indigenous. The people will be working for them. Higher Nozifa, when they San Diego. Forget about this side, the Zion will go already. So as they are buying now, the moment caterpillars landed, they doubled the price. Like the area 5 million before. Eregazia 12 million naira. Before God Almighty, Chukunna, Obrashi Kamtrona, Mafukola tomorrow. Do you know that yesterday, one of my friends was here? And we went to exactly after the army checking point. Exactly after the army checking point. We went there to buy 1.5 plot of land. The guy, how many million? 15 million. 15 million naira. My brother, they are to come. 15 million. No be like that. Another person buy am from him, one resell am to us now for 15 million naira. But you said it is a secret. All of a sudden, Iga Zoko de Ibidogore we already. Mezeti saga there is the common man easy. Then we, anyone be indigenous, anyone be the host communities. Are you trying to deceive us? I will even know Bodani. I will learn Bodani that now my own kindred that lands are there strangers. But we lifted it last month. If they are aware, and I call bullshit. We lifted that in the moment I like the anelu. No man I like the anelu say on your belly you went individual and they go ahead. I had to say against you. We did. Make a no lie. Only the matter will don't settle for my own kindred like this. Matter will don't settle. Brought me home like 5 times. You don't see me. I've never been this way. If I'm where I will come and start boggling somebody down. Before some of these people because I will respond. I will address the public. They will hear my own side of the story, and you'll be surprised at what will happen to you. You'll be surprised how people will see you. You'll be surprised. So before we talk, at least we check and calculate where is my own fault. Hey, move. Even one of them, they are major they are comment here. I'm screenshot on the time. Why you need a voice note? In case if they want to begin plan, I want them seriously. I want them see go do your business where they do somewhere. Here I know grand pass you. Now my place, what do you hear? The community is saying no. I mean the villages, the kindred, this no. That I do you think they even one of my closest brothers for this village, they quarrel me right now. He's in the United States. He had issues with so many of us. So many of us, he doesn't talk to us again. Why? Because na ikwere. Because na isi go ahead. Think everybody believe in your Bible? That's wrong. So even in the communities, in the kindreds, everybody has his own opinion because they have equal right with you. Some of them are not even happy right now. But you don't know how far we go daily. Talking to people, relax, one apple. Oh yeah, them. If you don't know nonsense, in a nonsense, or we bully him, Mbarago son a place where you give me money. Ain't gonna cover. Abi if you do, we go do this. If say na you, where they talk, by dear, I go tell you, say this morning, I wouldn't major pia again as that place. Mbunyere give him. Okay, let me challenge you, Let me challenge you. I say be a day live camera now, Abi. You see how many minutes I've been on the live camera. Mo could try this thing, 1 million naira. 1 million naira. Come on, go above me this small challenge. Come join ma run a compound now. Me pon or 2-3 youths. Say ga or mumu youths now. Oga fe 30, let's say Oga fe 40 minutes. A forum mado 50 immediately. Marana mbo chaff. No time crier, just come join them. Say God bora mute. Yenge die mother 3 also or mother abo also. In less than 40 minutes to 1 hour. Epo kwa patabu Sunday ano church. In less than 40 minutes, in less than 30 minutes, if la mado 50 and above, you go to 50 at minimum because tab Sunday. So, any query, maybe you want to walk over the Zoku to satisfy your queen mama. Shut up, my friend. Joy say before you may wait. I don't just do things. I don't just operate as human being. Here I go Gazembo, I should go and read the Constitution of Nigeria before I will invest someone's property. Which property? Did they acquire any property from us? Or did we donate to you? What are you telling me? What are you telling me? I endured. I didn't want to go all this lane. So let's screenshot to go and comment their boss. One of them, HRA policeman to Ebukobi. I not be jelly. I repeat for camera. I not be jelly. You know fit dear me. I not be jelly. Apple, they tell you the gospel truth. Ebukobi no send you. You not tell me got all their problem. You not tell me got all their problem. And you want everybody to be afraid of you. Somebody that thing when they find on the internet thing goes yam. Who is afraid of you, guy? You may walk here, but I'm weba. You may walk here. We are not. Nobody is fighting prophet. Yes. Nobody here. Well, nobody here. All of us they can. But you see those elements that want to act instead of him. Yeah. It is everybody not the same. Or that go read books to get sense. Don't be talking in a cook assuming I go on. You think you can bully anybody you like. Once when I officially come like this, I go carry down your comment, attach and here, war you where for internet. I go holler you where. I go tell you anything, even I go tell you what you know one here. Remember, I know they play. I know they play. Stay your lane. I don't avoid you. Now so na carry voice note go send a play voice note to Governor Zogunkanka. I thought you guys would have done worse than that. Tomorrow you go come here. I didn't meet you police. You go come this place. Me guru gi himre. Isoba shanyanwa. Even though I need him, you need him my face. You need him my face. They say I no be abomunde umokoko. One touch, we gather communities here. We picture you go see and I forget about you get on. Give one confirm. I'm not talking about prophet himself. And I talk about the person who assume position as a policeman. Get and do to you. Respect yourself. I know they play with you. I know they play with you. Your maturity self. That's why I always say that some people are so stupid that the only thing they have on earth is money. Money self, you don't even get them as people think. Stay clear from me. Stay clear. Governor could they warn you. Stay clear. Stay very, very clear from me immediately. Stay your lane. They need to booga me. They need to bully me. If you don't know. Support to bono when on job. Oh, we Bobble no gaga core game. The Jesus himself, you guys are even talking about. So many of you who went and anchored yourselves around the prophet, I even recognize that Jesus more than you. How many times do you make sense? In a week. Think about this. If I talk to somebody, I say, watch Alamonia closely. Watch Anna. Some bagging came Ishi direct. Oh no, na cut us in now. Coronia Jebo Goja. Korea gawa your own. No put, no carry your this thing near me. Carry that your gossip will be body. Carry and go another different place. Me and you no get any cockroach business because I go give you and the way you no go like. I no go pity you. Every day you keep reducing yourself. You keep reducing yourself on the internet anywhere. If you comment in Russia, if I buy a guy got threatening a mad or get anywhere threatening anybody, I go come there, I comment with my own page. Tell you say you no go fit do anything. You no go fit do anything. Every blessed day. You want your own selfish interest, your own. You want to perfect your own. And I look at Ndi Igbo and I look at people. Somebody no an angel. He's trying to shortlist you. They are trying to do you certain things. Not be saying even get out. Okay, never come here 2 times. On a professor here.
For where?
All border committee members case and the priest. And the federal house member, commissioner for lands here. All of them are from here. Oh, but Abunde Gare Rati your Wagaba. I got a village. Say when they're in the edge go the Nama where you're to calm down. And when that when they come kuya. Yet we are calm. Izuzuru, but I be on internet invading someone's property and pag your own alakem pagini munenyeroya. Love. God, if we've done well, if we have done well, bless my community, bless us. If we have done well, we use this thing to challenge God. We use it to challenge God. If you leave it, prove your mighty hand. That's what we did. Your village no do am. So on his behalf, I call yeah because you want to get a space on the internet. You want to talk. You know go about Governor Zoko. If I not just hide though. I keep quiet. If I want to reply you, Makachuku. If I want to reply you, you no go sleep oh. Guys. Along this road like this now. Along this express road like this now. You see along this road now. Along this road. Before here. Before along this road. You can get here 1.52 million naira. Brother, right now along here, these same people now, a go chala all from indigene secretly, they are now reselling to their own friends. 10 million here. Yeah, bozo omugakwo. Yeah, bozo omugakwo. Gija po omolo. Even inside communities. The price is now high because they feel how money bags they go chago nuna. Pay more for themselves. Then those politicians say garoji. Only side I thank God is that they did not encroach that place. Politicians say go la jaga. They are not pricing. Haberu helu ego bin. Call him to enter. Haberu helu ego. They go far just around there. If not be say he had the wrong, gawa. If not be say this thing the wrong, brothers, I for sure now hotel where somebody build under that hotel orula 2 months. Orube 2 months. Orube 2 months. The biggest hotel so far in this local government Kadima Anoga on day and night. Be getting sense from what I'm saying. Day and night. I want to go march bao. So I corrupt to chala eba nine. I corrupt to chala eba nine. Then give one seke go wa Isiagu so that they come on when ki gare kwasuta at a mega ram agent. You went mother gazo. Mana before gazo. Verify yakwama no closer to that. Oburu inside there no buy. Run. Oburu inside there no buy. Fascinating. So you can buy from anywhere. And I'm not telling you to buy at that spot so that they won't say I am misleading people to maybe stand against them. No, that's not what I'm doing. But people, individuals, and when they more need the development more. So when fala ogo yaro business ero. When you na check that plastic. That plastic that panabita G bag. So buy from any source of your choice. I'm not an agent. More azuga, except few 1 or 2, 3 friends. Do you understand? So while I speak this way, I must still speak calmly. You will later realize that these things I tell you, and I don't know how people behave. If you finish attacking Governor Isiagu, and finally you are here, one day your conscience will touch you, say, you would want to see me, I would want to see you. After all, we are brothers, we're friends. So, before I give you those Sebam Ogo, what happened? Okay. So you may need me in one way or the other. I may also need you. That's why I look at some of them. Thank you. That's why I look at some of them and I laugh. You may need me. I may also need you. You don't need to fight me. So, in the other hands, because most of my fans also, many of them are Zion members, and I want to address you in this good approach and good conduct for the sincere ones amongst you. See, nobody is employed to be an ADC of an arrest or threat to Evangelist Ebukobi. And what I am doing is, like here, the side we have shared, the side my kindred every male child, at least Adam qualified to 23 plots. My little son, the same thing. Because every male child now my place will go debris. Every male child. No Omenala. Woko bu woko. Mo 1 month, mo 1 year. That's how we do. That's how we do. Chere, or that guy, make him come close. Here another price where somebody tell me, we just the driver see somebody. See a guy outside. No, not basically hugging a camera.
Okay.
And when yesterday I just went ala after military checking point. How many million can the boys on the area? How many million cobras or quo?
Okwu 15 million.
Obos or 15 million. I don't know fancy Nancy.
Okay. Okay, boss.
You see, as God is they disgrace my enemies. This my brother I'm calling motor on this side. Mark one another person na John Shaw no Joya. This my brother mentioned 15 million. Only I mentioned not 15 million. Use this point and compare me and this ranters. Back you go there. Back camera can get see where go see about. Go happy about chat too much. But I can't imagine hotel mad. Wait, don't worry. Natural yesterday. I bet I'm gonna shop yourself. So, labor, this is emergency structure na zoom. Aroge speedily. Eba ni na agbuchago. Mmadụ be resiga labor. I go tell you say leave the person. So make you no mind them. Now, be on the line. I don't want this my brother to notice that I'm on live video. Let me ask him if there's any plot of land around here again. Just listen, Be listening. But I can't show wound in now. They went. I'm gonna punk it as normal. As a community brother. Nah, Fana. From yesterday. Okay, she munga pro. There you go. I can't let my when you landing out around there. Give me a large apple like this. So I'm in an area from beginning to end. Okay, so I can around you. It's all like it is there.
13.5 million.
13.5 million. How many plots? 5 plots.
Yeah.
That time. Now. Okay, so Tete. Okorula 1 year. Nah, there's no one here now. Yeah. Oh, I no problem. There's one plot, obviously. Okay. Give it a him in them. No, you can so see the Nakagi. Okay. On the gym, pepper soup. Kapa hotel, this guy. This guy is speed though. I'm on a pot. I ain't enough for a meeting. So do one with Eba in now. Only about a lag fence. Check and see my brother.
You now 200 feet.
200 feet. Now wow. Cable on your hotel no how many? 3.5 koja another thing. Car one, this one, Aqua Hotel. Car will be. So there's only 3 hotel here and be. Okay, also Kolaka.
30 something million.
Also this one 30 something million.
Yes, money.
Wow.
One plot in here for sale.
I go look at this.
5 million.
5 million. That's me. But all the journey happy. Onye muchuku. Okay. Can you say this man I rush the Zoe? Oh my God, hack it. Cool. This one. Ole, we came here. We came with the guy. Hey! Primoto. Che, can't pour my driver. So, nowadays they pour my enemies then for ground. Evidence pass juju. Lay this area. I say, Bill. If I had a query, when I had mother's no girl in a village 1 year ago, we got a 5 plotter, 13 million. Now, today, somebody in a pussy price. Somebody in a pussy, either 1 plot, 5 million around the banker. And somebody will tell you, when him again, I will just, all these things be drawn. So I will go offline here. Not everything I do will come to the internet. I don't know much. I'll say only 1 plot now here, 5 million. All right, fans. I'll continue. So I will stop now, leave you here. I'll respond further if they shake head. Oh, I got there now. Okay, come on, channel the land, then we'll go. Okay, come. The car just access road.
Only because that my place.
Obe, me shabe na zo hotel ke gem.
Yeah.
All it was good for gas, but all DPR again me approve. Oru chereba.
Okay. Gas plant. So lunch you go to pay baby. Na no road here.
Oza Kumuchuku.
No road, the main road.
The major road.
My health center.
I'm a health center.
Opposite health center.
Opposite health center before Ulelu.
Ulela. Allah there at Ulela.
Okay.
In my church Jews now, in church after the children, that incident the morning. The matter the mpahen no munda the land, the munde read the man the question sir. They are getting to munde read that. So they could it in a court sir.
Okay. Okay, but I wasn't how was ever. All the small. DPR gave me approved. Even 2.5 ton, I gave President. They made it. Carry advice, come on for that comment section. It be in my advice. CG number. Nah, call bullshit. Okay, I got no come fair. Nah, call bullshit. Nobody face that your husband way do one right. So guys, one great thing. One great thing God blessed Ngokbala with this road. So many of you will remember when I made a post about one guy who tied road in our village. Is this road? Chief Kinsley. Eba, the guy tied Chroza way THR street light and Eba nine na. Chima bere akwere chaleba nine.
I got a problem.
Try. You don't mean it. Especially in car, this road do not like this. I'm not pro Opala. I went can go yesterday na Obukwe. So friends, get patient with me. If you see land in Ngokbala, majorly, not everywhere in Ngokbala. We are from Mbishi. So everywhere in Mbishi. Oh, when you can with machine. Government machine. Fine.
Back I want.
So you got to listen. I know they do secret court business. So listen. Let me go back. Okay. I'm a lodge of Jimunga. Na video sale for sale. I'm going to go and get it. 5 million.
You said I got shot here today.
Hey! I'm not the banana.
When I expect him to the other, that's so far.
Let me get you before.
Never mentioned it. Yeah, no, I got my brother.
Na it's a more the last person they go with it.
I have 5 for him. End of this month.
Yeah, literally not that they go complete. So I had the last. Okay, I got what you want. Yeah, I got where. No, okay, but I don't be. Because I know. There we go. So you get it. Thank God you use your ear here. Thank God you use your ear here. This places was 1.5, 2 million. All of a sudden. Less than since 2 or 3 weeks now. Wahala. So that's it. A lot of people don't like truth. A lot of people don't like truth. Yeah, a lot of people don't like truth. The places you should raise alarm and tell people to do the right thing, even if you tell them, very many of them will not listen to you. But the strength of everything we do on earth is the royalty in God's honor. It is very, very important. The royalty in whatever we do is very, very important. Those who beckon on the truth. Like, there's one thing that usually happens there. Before you go and pull people, I don't call it bully. Before you go to pull people online, I need you to check if you can defend that thing or if you can withstand the truth that will be bursting out from that person's brain or mouth. So these are protocols that deserve some good observations. You must check very, very well. You don't come and rant into certain angle that will get into mess. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. You don't know the evidence of the person, the capacity. You can't along that road. The capacity of the person whom you wish to talk to. Park your side. Matches a map as a name. Also, they are 13.5. And my bed. And my bed, Chima. You pack, you want to pack off my hair so you can come down. I have to speak. Wilfred Franklin, I'll block you here now. So, I just decided to do this month, take you around. I'm even supposed to go further. But always Amankwe camera into his palace, so let's go on time. Otherwise, I would have stormed his palace. And it is disrespectful. Email without his consent. I would have gone to show you one thing that will shock you, that will marvel you, and you hear thoroughly. And I wouldn't want to do that because of the respect I have for their governor. So I won't do that. Otherwise, happen. Before on a fight people, before on a group will we don't fight about somebody. When you voice note to call it, check it. This one on I go feel we stand this man if you don't respond. And then I know say, charge mother. Check your conscience. Say I'm mad that. I don't want to say that 100%. I will say that 90% of him major on the internet are about pure. 10% wo I'm sure. But you see 90%, forget. You wait it out. Or your enter motor come. Enter motor come. Now carry you around by yourself. I not tell you say they far bia. And I got these things I wouldn't have done. As na habaranketi, maybe the moment I would tell bachelor, then a man answers, that was go is operate different thing than you. Following back, even the prophet Amahun he mega, all the same thing. Let me say this thing straight. There was a certain community they were supposed to come here before. These were part of the things that happened there. They went at the back and sent monies to their friends. He will go that place, jaga. So when the man came and saw it now, say no, this is not what I want. He left. So that's exactly what they wanted to introduce here, and we restricted them from doing that. So they are not happy. After which they felt they could fake me, or they could use my head as bankete for now. The same community in Abia meeting. In Abia. Okay. So if I don't call you for your blogging page and that about, go and sit down. Go and see. You don't exist. Go and sit down. Mkucha this video na msogi blocking Ozbo. No na 3 of you na notice la there now no claim or buffalo. I go block on na. Stay your lane. Don't no fuezo ku nekpo ya ka nwanyi geje na theater mo nwa. No wonder ahụ ji do no ka ogoro. No wonder no you look like premature harmattan. You jump wa because you just want to belong. You don't even look like those people at the front seat. Of standard, as can't to standard taste. If you see woman saying a babe will be this, you put body, you put eye. This one no follow. Go and sit down one corner before my rubbish go. Go and sit down, oh. Go and say nga bagi me bad oh. Face one key face go. Face the little one in the face now add like more salt or more pepper. O tugina wundu ga he get better. No one place, queue up, get sense where you dey. In a bar, if you want Bobble post to governors, okay, but I can't WhatsApp, I gossip, a man and those things, and bagging kitchen leggy. Must you belong to a certain clique? A man able one in Europe, no, they control your husband. If they control your husband, anyone in Nigeria is shining at the okay. You know if you control us. You know if you talk to some of us anyhow. You know if you try and machine on your husband no be rag. From you on the internet, they go see the kind prisons unutira such men in around don't know. Monsieur go no gi, monsieur gi your pigeon mouth in the kind of fire. Monsieur go no get hide your head immediately. On a nonsense. Must you be on the cube? Must you be do your own different thing? Live a standard life. Some of us we are respecting you. We thought you are a mother. We thought you are reasonable. Monsieur Nogi, You've just lost it now. All my life, you lost to go the respect today, right now. I know by now you should be regretting. People making posts, you think I am that fool. Don't you know, I understand when somebody admonishes me in love and now fold a blow by the left hand. Amen, amen. So you guys go there, get busy. And when people, I'm sorry, I'm not generalizing it to every woman abroad though. Some of them the loyal, but 85% of them to you rule over man. That's why you for an internet about poor mad of Chobi. You want to I not be center table. I not be center table. Hide your head. These people provoke you to some extent table, I got a man on a live video. Live video like this. I swear to God Almighty, I swear. On a live video. Oh, one person will give me complaint against one of them. It was policeman Zion. That day your image for go down, but I don't pass that level now. I endure you. May go even when evidence don't day. I no agree. You don't see me betray people before, but no, be the chief betrayers. You don't see me betray people before. I won't retaliate, and then mother will start. My fans will start telling me, Governor Ekarelan can know you for not do like this, and I still accept the blame. But because I close my mouth, people will not understand what's going on. You tell me to shut up. You tell me to stop, I will stop. They will go behind doing a different thing, trying to, I don't know if they want to kill my image or something, of which they cannot do, because at some point, whatever you do to me becomes an aid to me and to my destiny. Hello? I'm on live video. I'm almost done. So stay your if Sir be that kind of person, at that time when they fly voice note up and down, I for retaliate my own get weight. If I retaliate with the things where they don't tell me, if I retaliate, it is I be then they know. The prophet did not send you to become his egbeweja. He did not send you to go and make trouble for him. Close your mouth. God do more favor. Na people where they far. Na people where they far. You go do that. No bala machaki ki umon na yade. Stay your lane. Stay your lane and acquire nonsense. That I didn't post. I didn't start worrying you that I know beside they fear you. Onu susuru go and sit down one corner. What call the chog one when I could call potassium on the bullies everybody. What you're looking for, you say it. Yeah, I will deal with this one. I will deal with this one. Is that how you fight your family every blessed day? You know, through people's comments, through people's posts, you know the kind of person they are inside. Before you talk, iron your own way, iron your own approach. Don't be an egbe wager. Don't try to add certain things that you may not necessarily find funny someday. Too much of everything is too much. I have to talk to you because I know or they somebody like me, they fear you. You know something, they fear you. Oga Maria can really go. Maria too small. Hello? Morning. Good. Very good. Very good. No. I dey wait for her making shake head. I dey wait. Udod. Thank you. People will like us go 1 minute, they go tell us, they go even download us if you go run. Okay, make sure no go I the buy and not be crop your bullshit, go and sit down. No. Now people where you and then live together self. Now then go they play me tape where I go use the knock you. Sit down one corner. No, they too much of you don't too much for you. Too much of everything they bad. Everybody will saying as who you be. As what you even get physically, what you get. Upon apotane making a man and the mother bagana korogaka sometimes they actually can kid in akadafu. If you don't know, they want me the one way hope for and fall out. They go that show you say that's the way you see the clap. Then they don't see and scenes. Stay quiet. No febe, no share no febe. If I don't call you, no call me. Wanna do nothing, do your own thing the way you want to do. If you do a near me, I go reply you. I go retaliate. My own retaliation. No be say this thing. Me and I don't do several. I don't have forgotten and walk aboro. But I go by everything. The man I woke up go the wonky. Ebo rolla federal government the whole police station on Nigeria mechanized. Ta about for that place. Come on, I go sit down. I don't know no further. No Maria. Imagari am voice age one touch. No kwam na noise. Menka. Last I know can happy cool. Nagadum roof ebe. Most times I'm gonna do him. This one go make heaven. No good Christ-like character inside you. Or you be pure and holy for 30 days, self careful. Ekebere chinedu. Tonda babu okwage. Ebeligo babu okwage babu bajagerira for check and msoge blocking here. How wondara. Kawo this only believe na ekebere chinedu. The last time in Mozambique jere nto Arabi wakwagi Ishi that place. Come on, Mukara from this page. Go on. Oh yeah. Onyozo name ha comment here. God always used me to put a stop to certain persons. Oh yeah, le nanya, na. Le nondari to go on a bike. Kwa habu ihe survey. There, watch habu ihe survey naka. Go for ya. Le haba ego nime hotel ah. God they bring in evidence. In our hotel, come this of you. Just return a bike now. Panye here. People just return a bike now. This one happened for your front. See, God will go the proof you are wrong. God, chukuna gana kwanye shichono. Ndara hunine. Chere eho ebuko bigi wure. Who is the person? Tag me to it. Tag me to his post. Tag me to his comments. Hello? Good morning. Who? From where? Okay. Chere nyatum like 30 minutes get bomb sir. Okay. So I do more febe. I do more febe. I didn't match oku. If you watch me, I dey find trouble. My brothers, I dey find trouble. Believe me. Yeah, and I be person will be say to the glory of God Almighty. A lot of people, if they caution me, I listen. If they advise me, I listen. I try as much as I can to pay attention. Not very, very necessary. You understand? So, respect and watch me. Initially, I will offer you that respect. It is when you are not doing things to eat off my fingers that I may not take, that I may not tolerate. But if you stay your own, if you stay your own, I'm not going to talk to you. I'm not going to talk to you, because at the end of the day, ono kage mekwa announce ono mono rochawa things. So on that time, ihe ndị dere na ihe ndị kwuru now, as day breaks, truth, people bega here. Hotels eba jureju, people bega. So at the end of the day, emechazie emechakwa bia road this place. Even on forget ke na bia. E man am on no live camera ga me take see am when don come o. Na you we talk say na lie yo, no be you be this. Ugo digi na because am na izuzu na junction anya akọ gezigbo ihe. Gezuzu na even ime owure anya tie gezigbo te ihe. So mma like imegi such embarrass. Jikwa ge shine yo, ta ihe na like iji ndị ọzọ shine. Njikwa ge shine ya. So why not respect yourself? Oga, stay your lane, madam, stay your lane. Me and you know there, I know you do those your party something. Check me, I've never belonged to any clique before. The whole internet, yeah. Sometimes JPAC they offend me. Most of the times. If I verse for and finish, I go forget that one. Because you know how many years ago me and JPAC start? You know how many years ago? And that guy has once been a brother. Nchecha one good thing in Maryland before. I no go do you bad. Can go that kind of that one and forgive you, because the Bible says, and David said, is there anyone yet alive in the house of Paul that I may show him mercy for Jonathan's sake? That was where they went and brought a cripple. And David, they said, is this the only surviving person? Soul in that family? They said yes. Kings don't enter palace in Israel that time. That was how Abraham had that guy me few bullshit karaboy again. That was how the cripple entered the palace, and David granted him every access he needed and allowed him to eat in the king's dining every day. A poor person. It takes charity of the heart, the mind, and the true blood and friend and brother. Before David could say, let cripple, what has never happened in the Bible, dine with the king in his palace. So if I can only remember one thing you've done for me before, it may not be money, but I will check how you were able to stand. Either you stood by me or you offered me one thing that touched my soul. Even if I'm not Chibugi, I would want to capitalize on your first good ever, that I may save you. Just as I have tried to protect their images severally. In fact, there was a voice note somebody sent to me. Maybe they may explain, no, Kogidre me Jayan and there. The voice note send there on WhatsApp or end there. Say, I'm money no Jibiko. Monkey, yes, we settle with it. Even when it is illegal, as ambassadors, Epo Ferrer. Did I post it anywhere? On my hand, did I post it anywhere? Did I share it with any blogger today? I didn't. Different matter. The complaint that came from Opo. Did I do anything? The person, they came and they told me, called me, said this, brought evidence, this and that. I did not honor it. I didn't even listen to their complaint. I ignored. Hence, it concerns you. Leave to my phone. So, caution on you or thereabouts. One might send us a fool will always destroy what he has built. The wise keepeth whatever he has built for history purposes. That's the difference between you and I. So how would people see that we are here trying to massacre you while we once exalted you? I don't know. Before you guys do things. So in the area of J Park, that's one thing. If I remember how I and that guy suffered a certain period, nothing much, it's just to cook, eat. That was just the living. Anytime I come to Lagos, then we'll stay together for weeks. Okay, I know the good role he played. So no matter anything, I will still call him, I'll still take his call, we'll still discuss as brothers. Then when he heard the amota, he may hear another home or warm na phone or guam immediately say, he am million or day am manobi. Okay? Or they am manobi. Or maybe I'm like when I'm going straight. Because any day me add more respect, even if I was angry. But for him to have been a family man now, I need to add more respect to him. I need to listen sometimes. Sometimes, Jepa will keep it on 1 a.m. I'll pick. Or still here the turn couldn't sleep. We'll discuss over it. That's the end. Wilfred, you're suspended from this program until I finish. So you see the way life is. There are people you must still tolerate. There are protocols that deserve some good observations. Hold on, let me refresh it. Life is an institution of tomorrow. It doesn't end now. Your budget must enter tomorrow. And some of our people, the moment if for 100 million or 50 million, you want to insult people, you want to do anyhow. This guy I showed on camera here, Gorala around here, 13.5 million naira. Should I tell you how that guy started? The guy went hotel. Yeah, fence hotel. They go to hotel fence here, the standard. This guy na no nima ahia no na Johnson ahia na ere rice also tell rice or na ama ya na send them mad. From there he started provision store. Obocha ahia obulo pota dey ere rice. Ogabuta rice credit to Maya more ya. He was making money. He was making money. Before you know it, Omepe 2 shops. Before you know it, Orewe rice there in bags. Small. Ogola many places here. Now, get one now, Kuro and Telo, Ishi abroad lota. It's here earring. If you saw your man, or if you have a Range Rover before this person. Or if you make your noise, be an away big. You see the way life is. A guy man always a big boy. So get one make noise. A more guy high gotta get falana. Bathroom slippers konyati. Onwe moto. Machine. Kone jaba. If onya na because the evil tundra. A mopota gbe. Anything.
That guy should win the church and I need to hear that place. So
and when they say about Zodiala. Kagano there. But how about any motor I make on a video. So this is the way life is. One of them mama de Pacharania. It's a Iri bike. This guy is now be a meeting for something now. I got hang John. Nah, my brother. Italo Blackie. He did a comment many times that I Zion undo me. Don't spoil Zion ministry. Oh my throw Zion. No, stop. Stop, brother. Just stop. Don't inherit enemy because of me. Don't inherit enemy because of me. Don't inherit any enemy because of me. Relax. God, Chukunna ma ko se prove here. Chukunna ma ko se prove here. My brother when him chejo no ana batara mota na. So just voice no kam need. Okay. Ke ihe biara na this place imere ni ala ni neja ejere gi sharp.
Okay. Oh Ebukobi.
Oh onye?
Ebukobi. Obatara. Company, hospital, hotels.
Okay.
Ihe bụ abịaga here the much.
Ngwa don't worry. Ekuzila mo. Enwe ndị na doubt. Ala ka unu wee ba billions. Ka unu just nye go ahead. Ka unu just nyekwa go ahead. Village ke mkwano. Go ahead kwa ka anyị nyekwara.
Yeah.
Because na ịchọrọ ihe ọma.
Ogbonbise ya azụ asị ebe ahụ.
You see? Because na ịchọrọ ihe ọma. So that's what we are doing. So when they say about speed is other one.
Yeah.
Na ndị mmadụ akwụna hụ ndị sọvịa ahụ bara na hotel a. Ọ ka hotel Chimamanda ejula ahụ. Okay. Ole ndị kacha ịta winchi a na. But that yesterday asla hụ da mana kwema ngara kwụ ụgbọ ala da yesterday. But gị nwakwara film na. Jenu mmechala video anya gbabaka. Mba ka anyị rugodi dị anyị ruo dị m hụ ndị nọ dị a. Meje anyị dị asị ha na anyị akwụla mbụche. Ndị anọ na ya dị a. Oh, the man. Oh, yeah, but the machine. Oh, what that woman have been.
Somebody here.
Jama got trailer cross. So guys, this is the major road. This is major third road, Watch where I will enter now. See, look at this. See where are they? Now me they expose them. See where are they? So look at how many minutes now to the land. So I just left the third road. This is Attire. Okay. I got me see the ala direct back and the agent. The agent are alam na. If on them mother hana chichare. I don't know what somebody here. See, even more as indigenous, so Gala steady here. Obashi. Okay, on the land, I know. It's not Hagamana, maybe a chili, Rabbi. If I'm on a question, we will look at France. So, at the owner of the land be there, but I'm not going to show him face. Me, as would you be more? Okay. Okay, guys, I will let you be for now. God bless you. My name is Governor Ezioku, son of the Creation of Man. Let peace reign. If you get, you allow others to get, okay? That's very, very important. And I'm not selling land. I'm not an agent. I'm also buying for myself, for friends. Few, 2 or 3 of my friends, that's all. So thank you. Thank you, everyone. With all this run around, have I not proven to you that Indiana cut off nonsense against me? So thank you.